Ma'am, today is World No Tobacco Day. So, what do you like to say?
So today is Anti-Tobacco Day, and we had this 6th Goa Anti-Tobacco Film Festival uh, here in ESG, and there were altogether 23 entries for this short films. What we had, uh, 13 in Goan section and 10 in national section, and this is the 6th year we're having this. It's a calendar event. It started in 2017 along with the health department, the dental department of health. And we are very grateful to the health department and our renowned surgeon, Dr. Shekhar Salkar also was here as a guest of honor. And there were 3 categories, 3 prizes in the Goan section. 50,000 was the first prize, 30,000 was the second prize, and 20,000 was the third prize. And in national section, 1 lakh was the first prize, 50,000 was the second prize, and 30,000 was the third prize. Altogether 23 entries. And now Sogilyank, everyone who has participated, I really thank them. And this year the motto was, the subject is that our kids, our students should be away from this menace of tobacco. Ye tobacco smoking and ye tobacco kaun, it's the ill effects. These films were shown today, and these have to be shown in each and every school. Like iskolani पावल्या, this menace has reached the school, especially 8th, 9th, 10th standard. आणि सगळे इस्कॉलांनी ही फिल्मां दाखयल्ली जातली. And the drug menace in our society, everything starts with a puff म्हणटा पळय ते. फ्रेंड आपल्या एका दुसऱ्या फ्रेंडाक दिता, just have a puff, and then you are entangled in that negative energy, negative doings. एक पफाचेर चालू जाता आणि मागीर ते ड्रग्साचेर चाकून इट गोज अप टू द ड्रग्स लेवल, एंड देन ऑल युअर माउथ कॅन्सर, लंग कॅन्सर, युअर लाईफ इज स्पॉइल्ड, युअर फॅमिलीज लाईफ इज स्पॉइल्ड, यू आर डाईंग इन पेन, एंड यू डाई इन पेन एंड वेन. आणि आखी फॅमिली, इट्स अ कॅन्सर टू द फूल फॅमिली. And your child, your family who is around you also gets that smoke, and he or she is inhaling that smoke. So our request, आमच्या सरकाराचो रिक्वेस्ट, आमच्या हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचो रिक्वेस्ट की say no to tobacco on this World No Tobacco Day, and save yourself and save your family. Use your energy to do something better for yourself, for your family, and for others.
Ma'am, every year awareness has been created on tobacco, but still youth consume the tobacco product. So what?
That's the films make such a positive impact on the lives of the youth. ही पिक्चरांनी पासून हे बंद करूंक जाय दाखोवपाचें. It should start from there. The ban should come from there. The youth thinks एक कोणूय चिंता एक सिगरेट हातीन आसो म्हणल्यार I am a youth icon. It is a fashion style. It should start from there, maybe, and counseling in the school. When the teachers realize that a child is acting in a certain way, and sometimes what a child thinks that this is the way out for depression. कसले डिप्रेशन घेवन मोसल्यान म्हणून आमकांच खबर ना ही भुरगीं. आनी लायफ सपोर्ट म्हणटा ते आमी पेरंट्स आमच्या भुरग्यांक guide them on the right path. And आमच्या गोंयांत तरी खूब बरें आहा. Just take care.
पण टुरिझम स्टेट आशिल्ल्यान खूब कडेन आमी टुरिस्टूय अशें ओपनली सिगरेट मारता, मे बी ड्रग्सूय घेतना आमकां दिसतात. सो तुमकां दिसता की पोलिसांनी हेंचेर इन्क्वायरी बीन करूंक
जाय. And certain places have to be kept reserved so that whoever are smokers go to certain places and smoke, and not smoke openly for everybody to get your fumes.
सिटीन म्हणटा तुमी एक लोकेशन आसपाक जाय.
City, no, even on beaches.
Okay.
Beach is a public place where everybody comes. A small baby comes, everybody comes. आणि why should she or he inhale the smoke of the smoker? Some places have to be allotted by the tourism department. बाबा थंयसर वसात आनी स्मोक करात, if at all, but not, your smoke should not be taken by everybody, whoever. In public places, this should be our motto. At last, implementation is what counts. नाल्यार आमी पिक्चरात करूंक वयतले आनी असली इव्हेंटात करूंक वतली. What is about the implementation? Our tourism department should earmark certain places on the beaches, in public places. You all go there and smoke. If you all are found smoking openly, ते कोण टुरिस्ट पुलीस असतात नाल्यार कितें असता तांकां फायन घालपाचे. You cannot, there should be certain measures taken strictly, otherwise this is it becomes...
Ma'am, I have one more question on other topic. What's the update on pre-monsoon work in your constituency?
In my constituency, we have already started with, I've taken meetings with each and every department, especially as far as electricity department officials are concerned, the AEJ, each and every panchayat members I called in my office, or we went over there, and that is being done. Desilting of nallas, which is, nallas are the arteries. So, yeah, or some mashal late zale due to code of conduct, which was on due to election. Desilting of nallas. And we are looking after each and every corner of, pre-monsoon work. And
Ma'am, that underground cabling work was going on. That
it is still going on. Underground cabling work has almost finished in Asagaon. And दुसऱ्या गावांनी जाताले ते सोपला. आता आमचे आसगांव म्हणटा ते काम चालू हा म्हणटा पळय ते लेईंग ऑफ पायपलायन of the 5.6 MLD water treatment plant which is coming up. So side by side underground cabling and laying of pipeline ते काम चालू.
ओके मॅडम, आणि एक इश्यू आसलो तो नाईट क्लब आसात पळय ते ओपोज करतात लोकल्स, त्याच्या बद्दल तुमचे कितें, हाऊ यू आर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड विथ दॅट?
सी नाईट क्लब म्हणटा ते रुंबा म्हणून आमच्या पंचायत रोडाचेर आसागांव पंचायत रोडाचेरूच ते स्ट्रक्चर येयल्लो आहा ऑलरेडी. आणि they had applied this, our sarpanch has sent me the full docket. They had applied for a temporary bar and restaurant. The panchayat had given them permission. Then they only applied for withdrawal of that bar and restaurant license. And the panchayat withdrew. Right now I have told the sarpanch, informed the sarpanch, and all those delegations who had come to meet me also. Any other application which comes in the panchayat can outrightly, cancel or not entertain that application on the ground that that structure doesn't have construction license or occupancy. दिसता सारखे रस्त्याक तेकला म्हणल्यार it doesn't have occupancy, otherwise it would have been so many meters away from the road. That I have inquired from the sarpanch, and the sarpanch has told me that it has no occupancy. Because that becomes a legal this for the panchayat to reject any application. आणि आमी आतां आमच्या TCP मिनिस्टराकूय कित्याक म्हाका कोण येयला ते शेत आसले पयलें, and now maybe he may turn it into settlement area. So आमी आमच्या TCP मिनिस्टरा कडेन मेळपाक वयतली, अपॉइंटमेंट घेतली, लोकांकूय घेवन वयतली, नॉट टू change the zone from आमचे field to settlement. तेज्या उपरांत आमी रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टराकूय मेळपाक वयतलीं की ताका सानात दिवं नाका. एक क्लब येवप गांवांत म्हणल्यार कित्याक आसगांव इज फूल ऑफ बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट्स, फूल ऑफ ऑल द बेस्ट ऑफ बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट्स इन गोवा इन आसगांव इज इन आसगांव. सो एक चालू जालें म्हणल्यार सगळेच ती आमचे क्लबां जातली. बिकॉज आय नो द इल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ दीस इन वागातोर, वॉट इज हॅपनिंग. आनी वागातोर लोक बावडो कसलो दीस रात त्रास काडटा ते आमकां खबर आहा. दे ऑल टेक परमिशन इन द नेम ऑफ बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट अँड दे ऑल बिकम नाईट क्लब्स. सो एकट्याक तूं एंटरटेन केलें, एवरीबडी फॉलोज द सूट. सो आसगांव म्हणटा तो गांव म्हणून सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय. लोकांनी हो इनिशिएटीव घेतलेलो आहा तो It's a very good initiative, and I will stand by my people.
But what is your stand? You don't want nightclubs?
We don't want nightclub in Asagaon at least. It's already there in Anjuna, and Bhagator is suffering with it. They are not getting any sleep, you know. And I know how we had to have so many meetings with the club owners, with the police, and at last we are running here and there. आता Asagaon जाऊंक फावना.
पण आता एक असो विषय जाता की त्या कलांगूट जे आता सुप्रीम कोर्टान बंद केला डान्स बार अँड नाईट क्लब्स त्यात खंय तरी आसगांव अकोमोडेट करपाचो प्लॅन चल्ला म्हणून अशें कितें चल्लां?
Everything mostly depends on the panchayat. You know, with whom they come for this permission is the panchayat. आमदाराकडे येयनात. पूण सरपंच and the panchayat body is also of the view that there should be no night clubs in Asagaon. समजले न्हू? The people have to be aware, and the panchayat body will be with, I'm sure, the people and won't allow these club menons to at least come in Asagaon.